look at my life, Clara, I feel like such a fraud. You know, like an armchair traveller dishing out worldly advice.
When?
Soon. Very soon. Now.
Not now. Now. Yeah, there's no way I can get the time off. I mean, not now. Not at this time of year.
I know. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I really, really am. Will you be here when I get back?
How long will you be gone?
I don't know.
Then I can't answer the question, can I?